today I wanted to share with you my favorite and best get ready with me life hacks. Now these include makeup, fashion, food, and everything in between. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down. That just kind of shows me how you feel about certain content. First thing I do in the morning is eat breakfast. Air fried oranges, my new favorite dessert. Literally the best thing of my life. Here we go. Thank you to Jen Jones for this magnificent recipe, because have you ever heard of air fried oranges? First things first, you cut into slices, then cut the peel off, add some maple syrup and cinnamon, and then pop it in the air fryer for 4 minutes at 400 degrees. Layer with your favorite yogurt, granola, drizzle it with honey, and it's delicious. Oh my gosh, it's literally my new favorite way to indulge and get some vitamin C. You need to try it out yourself. So I struggle with puffy eyes in the morning, and here's a quick way to admit that. So get a cheap lipstick, remove it, and add water and put it in the freezer. Before doing your makeup or your skincare, pop it on and allow it to relax your puffy eyes. Then proceed with your usual makeup. Check it out. According to Megan Lavallee, there is this one spot on your cheek that if you softly blend it out, it helps give this illusion of a higher cheekbone and makes you look really great from the side and from the front. This was actually my first time trying it, and wow, I was thoroughly surprised. What do you think? Now it's time to get dressed for the day. So I'm thinking maybe this sweater, I don't know. This is how I've always worn my sweaters, but it's kind of lacking. So let's try this little hack instead. Personally, I feel like it gives a little cuter little cardigan illusion that's more form-fitting. I personally love it. For my hairstyle today, I'm gonna be doing this really quick, low, effortless, elegant bun. Okay, one of my favorites. Super easy, definitely try it out. But after looking at it, I wasn't really feeling it, so I'm gonna change that up. See, my ponytails usually look a little bit flat. I don't know if anybody feels like that, but with this little hair hack volume thing, not anymore. So I'm gonna be trying out this viral volume hack. Look at that. Oh my gosh, cute. Okay, so now I'm ready for some makeup. When I first saw this hack, I thought, it's a little redonkulous, but hey, I'll give it a go. So I'm using washi tape to be less abrasive on my skin, popping it on, and okay, now we got it. And then we just put some eyeshadow, adding it on, and let's see. Oh, okay, all right. Well, I'm thoroughly surprised. I like this one. Time to get ready and go out. So I'm putting on this jacket, but let's make it just a little bit more fancy, shall we? So I learned this creative way to tie your jackets up, and here's how. By now, you probably know that these are my holy grail. Impress, press on, super easy, affordable, cute, and right at the convenience of your own home. Bam! I'm literally all done and ready for my day. It was fun hanging out with you today. Comment below if you learned anything new, and if you want to see a part 2 to this. Maybe we can continue this whole little thing. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!